Hi everyone! Within this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets and how to merge some values if your data export is not giving you specific merged values that you need. So what I'm going to show you first is you're going to use strictly column A and B. A2 would be, the first one would be Jennifer, B2 would be Calderon. So I'm going to show you how to merge those if, for example, you needed them together. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to that next cell and then you're going to hit equal sign, and then you're going to take the information from A2, merge them together, so you're going to use the ampersand sign, and then you're going to do B2. Notice what happens here is you strictly have the information from cell A2, and it's merged to B2. Now, in most cases, you probably need it separated by a space. So what I'm going to do is we're going to remove that just by hitting delete, and we're going to retype that so that way we include the space. So what you're going to do is you're going to, again, type in A2, and then you're going to use the ampersand sign. You're actually going to use quotations, hit the space bar, so you create that space, close your quotations, use the ampersand sign, and then you're going to do B2. And what you'll notice now is it's going to be first name, space, last name. Now what happens if I need it by last name, comma, space, first name? So what I'll do is I'll take the information, equal sign, B2, so that's my last name, ampersand sign, quotations, I'm going to need a comma, a space, close my quotations, ampersand sign, and then I'm going to do A2. And what you'll see here now is it's going to be my last name, comma, space, first name. Now what's nice about Google is it has this drag down feature that's going to take the formula that's listed in this cell, and as long as I drag it down to the end of my list, it's going to keep that formula, so I don't have to retype it in for each one. So notice when I click on under the cell merged and I go to this blue box right here, if I drag that all the way down to the end of my list, notice it's going to keep that formula true to the rest of those cells. Now same thing applies for this last comma first. So if I want that to, if I want to make a list for the rest of the people on the left side, I'll go ahead and use that blue box, drag it down and release, and notice it's going to do the same for that column as well. Now what happens if I need to create an email list, but I don't want to have to type out everybody's email and I just want a quick list? What you can do is use the formula features again. So what I need is I need the information from A2, ampersand sign, I'm going to use my quotations with a period, close my quotations with the ampersand sign. I'm then going to use B2, and then I'm going to do the ampersand sign again, and I'm going to need at HesperiaUSD.org. Then I'm going to close my quotation, and notice what happens there. It's going to take, again, my first name, dot, last name, and then it's going to attach that at HesperiaUSD.org. Now notice again, I need to be in that cell, use that blue box, that drag down feature, and it's going to create the email addresses for everybody else. So I hope that you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.